Hello guys, in today's video, we're gonna check out the best bicycle in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I've tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and many more. To find out more information about these bicycles, you can check out the description below. If you want to get a best quality bicycle according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide to buy. At the first position of our list, we have Schwinn GTX Comfort Adult Hybrid Bike. If you're looking for a budget-friendly bike you can take anywhere, Schwinn's GTX Comfort Adult Hybrid Bike is a solid pick. The hybrid offers the speed of a road bike, the capability of a mountain bike, and the comfort of a cruiser, giving you the versatility you need to explore different styles of riding and types of terrain. The bike's aluminum frame should feel durable, but lightweight, and it comes equipped with a suspension fork that promises to keep your ride smooth and comfortable. The bike's 21-speed drivetrain will help you nimbly navigate different trails and paths, while its grippy tires promise plenty of traction both on and off the road. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Villano R2 Commuter. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, Villano's R2 Commuter aluminum road bike can quickly pick up speed while offering a nimble ride. It features a 21-speed drivetrain that will help you flexibly navigate a range of conditions. And while the speedy characteristics may sound intimidating, the bike is designed with beginners in mind. Take the bike on your daily commute or on a quick ride around your neighborhood. While it may not be the best pick for an off-road adventure, it should handily meet your more day-to-day cycling needs. The number 3 position is held by Hilland Road Bike 700 with 21 speeds. Looking for a road bike that can get you to and from work every day? Hilland's road bike is here for you and your commute. The sleek road bike boasts a lightweight aluminum frame, and since it weighs a mere 18 pounds, it provides a quick and efficient ride. The bike's 21-speed drivetrain will give you all the options you need to flexibly tackle hills and other obstacles, and its caliper brakes will help you come to smooth, reliable stops anytime you need to. Next at number 4, we have Swagtron Swagcycle EB5 Folding E-Bike. It can be tough to find a budget-friendly electric bike, but Swagtron's Swagcycle Folding E-Bike is fairly affordable considering what you get. While it has a shorter battery life, it can only sustain 15.5 miles on full throttle. It isn't as bulky as other options. The battery life may be a downside, but the bike does offer compact foldability. Folding down to a fraction of its full size, it's easy to store and transport. Combined with affordability, the bike is a great option if you're new to the electric bike scene. The number 5 position is held by Schwinn Loop Adult Folding Bike. Schwinn's Loop Adult Folding Bike is one of the most formidable folding bikes around. The step-through bike boasts a lightweight aluminum frame, which you can fold up for easy storage and transport. And despite the bike's flexible design, it still promises a sturdy ride. The bike comes equipped with a 7-speed drivetrain, which is pretty tough to find in a folding bike. It also features plush street tires that keep your ride smooth and comfortable every time you head out on the bike. The number 6 position is dominated by sixthreezero Around the Block Women's Single-Speed Bicycle. If you're a casual cyclist who craves a comfortable ride, you can't beat sixthreezero's Around the Block Single-Speed Bicycle. The bike is designed to keep you upright as you pedal, so you can rest assured knowing your rides will feel both laid back and comfortable. The bike's plush waffle tread tires also feel great on both city streets and bike paths. Since the bike is a single speed, you won't have to worry about fiddling with tons of gears and settings as you ride. Instead, you can just kick back, relax, and explore your neighborhood while leisurely pedaling, of course. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Cruiser Bicycle. Promising review. I love my new bike. The seat is very comfortable, the color is beautiful, and being able to sit upright rather than bending over to reach the handlebars is great. My back and arms are no longer sore after a ride. This is the most comfortable bike I've ever had. Michelle L. Kendrick. That's all for today. We upload all types of bike accessories review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.